All right, what do we have today? Another mod? Yes, they're here. Yes, they are finally here. Hey everyone, welcome back to Just One More Mod. I've been waiting for these for about a month. They are made to order, and I can't be more excited to receive these and do an unboxing. These are the AR resonated downpipes for the F80. So let's go take a look. Just want to give a quick shout out. I got this from Extreme Powerhouse, Mike from the forums. Communicated with him. No affiliation, don't get paid to buy anything from them, but really good communication. You know, kept me in the loop about the process of the order. Some packing peanuts. So, gonna have to clean them up. Oh man. Uno. Dos. Put that aside. Let's unwrap these. So, why did I go with AR? It was a really long decision. It was a really tough decision. The M3 M4, man, the exhaust isn't that a topic of discussion? You know, the exhaust sound, what happens when you do a mid-pipe, what happens when you do downpipes, what happens when you just do a muffler, what sounds the best. Everyone has an opinion. Everyone has an opinion. So once I decided to pull the trigger finally, going with downpipes, I knew right away that I wanted to try to preserve or prevent any more rasp than what comes, you know, from the factory. So it was really kind of easy that I wanted to go resonated with my downpipes, and the options are really limited there. There is another brand, begins with A, and they're much cheaper. I've just heard a lot of iffy things on them. I kind of stalk people on the forums and saw them buy them, and then also see that they had them in the marketplace for sale section within weeks. So that says something to me. Anyway, I have high hopes for these, and I hope they work out. Look at that. Oh, and it's even got the AR on there right there. You can see that. That's a nice little touch. That's cool. They don't have to do that, but that's kind of neat. Welds are awesome. Heard really great things about AR. I'm excited, and I'm hoping this guy right here will do exactly what I want and minimize any extra rasp. I really want to keep that to a minimum if possible. Yeah, you can definitely see the resonator part. Just right there, you can kind of get a glimpse right there of the resonator deep down in there, little holes there. Hopefully you can kind of make that out just a tiny bit. It's taped really good. Nice. And again, nice little touch they do. AR logo. Really cool. Not that you're going to see it all the time, or you can really show it off once it's on, but another little extra that, you know, they could have just skipped on. This one might be easier to show. Actually, I think this is going to be much easier to show. So here we go. All right. So there it is. Hopefully that will be my saving grace, keep my satisfaction in line. I'm basically lining everything up and putting all my pieces together to make sure I properly go to stage 2. And my goal is to do a custom map and not just do an off-the-shelf. Not that there's anything wrong with off-the-shelf, but the fact is I don't really want to leave any power on the table with my tune. So I think off-the-shelf maps are great, but the fact that my custom tuner will know ignition and timing with the octane that I'm using, I think that's a good way to go. They will be going in very soon. I am super, super excited to see what they do for me, not only sound-wise, but definitely power-wise. So stay tuned, check back, and thanks again for tuning in to Just One More Mod.